Check out our newest feature release. Now you can limit coupons to one use per customer. Now our CRM empowers you to limit coupons to one user per customer, streamlining your coupon management process. Why it matters and how this could help you and your business. With this feature update, you can ensure a fair and personalized experience for each customer with a one use per customer coupon. This is going to simplify your coupon strategy by easily setting and enforcing usage limits. It's also going to prevent misuse and enhance customer satisfaction by offering exclusive, personalized discounts. So let's go ahead and first create a coupon. To create a coupon, you're going to go to Payments in the left-hand navigation, and in the upper navigation, go ahead and select Coupons. From there, you're going to create a new coupon by clicking the plus Create Coupon button. Now let's go ahead and limit to one user per customer, which is the newest feature. So you'll see what I've got highlighted on the bottom is the limit to one per customer. And that's it. That's how simple it is. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.